WhenToGo. We're doing challenge inspiration recommendations, and we're using Sabre seasonality API. So WhenToGo is an engine that generates intelligent insights to help travelers figure out the best timing to travel. And the factors that we are working with are climate. So, for example, figuring out when is dry season, when is wet season, when what's the precipitation, what's the climate zone. Seasonal activities. So pretty much anything active that you would do on your travel is seasonal. So hiking, biking, diving, surfing, trekking, all of that is seasonal. You need to figure out when is the best time to do that. Next factor is crowdedness. So trying to figure out when is high season, low season, shoulder season to avoid crowds. And high-low season prices. So figuring out how to save money by going to in shoulder season, traveling in shoulder season. So here are examples of questions that we're aiming to address. For example, when is a good time to do trekking in Patagonia? Or, I like diving and I have time off in April. Where do I go? Or, where's shoulder season in the next 3 months? Or, I want to see northern lights in Norway. When do I go? So, while the timing aspect is fundamental, it's fundamental in travel planning, especially for adventure travelers. Currently, it is pretty much neglected online. So to answer these kind of questions, all you can do right now, your options are Googling and going through a lot of blog posts, forum threads, archive sites, collecting bits and pieces from different places. Google search is tremendously bad at this kind of insights. So what are our sources of insights? It's automated data, such as Sabre seasonality API. It's crowdsourced data, so example would be a diving instructor verifying diving season in a certain location. Data scraping and mining, we've been able to gather historical climate-related data and analyze it and generate unique insights from that data. And of course our own personal travel planning experience. So for this weekend, we built we have that mobile service that uses Messenger, uses Twilio to generate insights for travelers without downloading any apps or regardless of the operating system. So we have recorded a video of how it works. So this is requires to type in introduction to the number, WhenToGo number. We're reading you. We're asking you to ask us what's your question. So right now we're asking where to go kite surfing in the summer, and we're getting 3 recommendations in this case. So we're seeing that different flights, hours away, there are different options there. We're providing further details about those options. So, for example, if you click on details, you're going to get details. This is a mobile site that gives you information about activities in that place, climate, crowds. So the crowds aspect of this, that first sentence there, July's high season expect to be crowded, that's generated by a call to Sabre API, which tells us how crowded this place is. So let's try another question. So let's bring on the
So go ahead and finish that point.
Yes, so another question that you could ask is about, for example, shoulder seasons. And in this case, that would be short text that has that insight in this text. So this is working, and I can show you on mobile. This chat interface is working. It provides the data. It generates the mobile page for more insights, and our own gathered climate data and state our API.